Hi everyone. So today we'll learn how you can add Tailwind CSS to your next.js project. As you can see, I've already opened the project in VS Code. The next.js version is 16. Let me show it to you. So let's open the package.json file and you can see it is written here 16.1.6. So we are going to use Tailwind in this project. So let's go to google.com and here type Tailwind CSS. It will be very first website, so simply click on the link, then click on get started. So you can see we are on the installation page. Simply scroll a bit and click on this using post CSS. Now first of all, we have to install the Tailwind. So simply copy this command by clicking here, go to VS Code, open the terminal, simply go to view and click on terminal. Now here, paste the command and hit the enter key. Now as you can see, Tailwind CSS is installed. It's time to clear the terminal. So simply type clear here and hit the enter key. Now go to Tailwind website. We need to see what are the next steps here. So the next step is to create a file postcss.config.mjs. Simply copy the file name, right click here and click on new file. Paste it. Now copy this code, simply click here and paste it. Save the file. Now just copy this, go to source directory and here you will find globals.css. Simply delete the entire code and paste what we just copied. Save it. Now open page.js. Delete this entire code. Same goes here. Delete this entire thing because we don't need it. Simply return a h1 element here and it will be hello world. Save it. Now go to terminal and type npm run dev. So our project is running at this URL. Simply click on this link. So we got hello world here. Now let's go to Tailwind website. Now let's copy some basic classes. So these are the classes. Simply copy them to see if Tailwind is working or not with our next.js project. Now in the h1 element, simply use class name attribute and paste those classes. Let's make it 6XL, font bold, remove the underline. So let's make it BG red 300, text center. Let's see if it is working or not. Just save it, go to browser, and that's the output. So you can see Tailwind CSS is working with our next.js project, and that's all what you need to make it work. So I hope you understood how to do so. See you in the next video. Have a nice day.